So for a scale of 14, my A value and B value were both 20 in order to create a 45, 45, 90 special right triangle. And so I just drew it up here, and using Pythagorean theorem, also the special right triangle rules, you know that this is 20 square root of 2. And then for part A, I drew in faint lines like the dots around the circle because that's basically what the graph looks like. These XY coordinates don't really exist, but the way polar coordinates work is they focus on the radius and the angle measure. So because it was because the normal coordinates would have been 20 comma negative 20, it would have been here. But since it's a polar coordinate, I would have to go 45 degrees down from here, which is basically the same. So this would be at pi over 4 or 45 degrees. And then the radius of this is 20 square root of 2. So the length would be 20 square root of 2. Then for part B, I got the radius of theta is 20 square root of 2 times sine of 2 theta. And the reason why I chose that was because if I did 2 theta, then it would have gone through, it would have been at like the longest radius would have been at 45 degrees. So that's why I picked an even number, and I just picked 2 because it was the smallest even number. And then I picked 20 square root of 2 because that's the length that the radius has to be. So if you see here, this is basically what the graph would look like. It has 4 petals with the length being 20 square root of 2 at the 45 degree angle, and it's basically the shape of a rose.